Now this needs to be explained. There are things that we sell that are permissible without a necessity, and there is benefit in it. So if it is beneficial, permissible in a normal way, then this is halal. The condition is fulfilled. So for example, things that are not permissible, selling them is prohibited, whether beneficial or not beneficial. Give an example, Sheikh. Something that is beneficial, but it is haram, and no way it can be halal, even if there's a necessity for it. Example, musical instruments. What benefit do we get from it? We can play music. Can it ever be halal due to necessity? The answer is no. In this case, selling or buying it would be prohibited. It would be cancelled and void. Also included is selling intoxicants, selling cigarettes, tobacco. There might be some benefits in it, but it is haram, and hence such a transaction is void and not accepted. There are things that have no benefit in them, though it might not be haram, but buying and selling them because of the lack of benefit makes the transaction void, such as selling cockroaches or insects in general. There's no use in that. So such a transaction is void and not permissible. There are things that are beneficial and might be permissible at times of necessity. Because they are permissible at times of necessity, selling and buying them is haram. Such as dogs used for hunting. Hunting is halal, but it's the exception of the rule. So selling and buying dogs is prohibited, though there is times that it is permissible for necessity to use, but selling and buying them is still void and prohibited. Likewise, fertilizers. When fertilizers are used of animal dung or maybe human dung as well. So this is in impurity, and it can be benefited from, but buying it due to the condition that only when there is a need for it, some scholars say that this makes it void. So we cannot buy and sell such an impurity, and it's an issue of dispute.